This is the final video to fix Wuthering Waves not working on Steam Deck, and if you've been struggling with it, you are not alone. Many players face this problem because the game sometimes conflicts with Steam Deck settings or missing updates, causing crashes or failing to launch. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media, but they are often complicated, filled with confusing steps, or require tech knowledge you don't have. On Rexist, we have a secret easy trick that fixes this in just a few simple clicks without messing with complicated files or settings. If you want, we can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do. So comment below if you want that guide, and we'll show you how to make Wuthering Waves run perfectly on your Steam Deck.